My dear travelers, welcome to Rustic Charm Homestay, where the beauty and authenticity of Vietnam's rural countryside come alive. It's an experience like no other, where you'll immerse yourself in the culture, natural beauty, and hospitality of the locals. You'll be awed by the lush green fields and breathtaking rice paddies that surround you as you find solace in the tranquility of the countryside. At Rustic Charm Homestay, you'll be enchanted by the beautifully crafted traditional material bungalows, each unique with handcrafted furniture, traditional decor, and a private view that overlooks the stunning landscapes. The bungalows are equipped with all the modern amenities you need for a comfortable stay, while you enjoy the traditional hospitality of the locals. The homestay offers a range of activities that allow you to discover the hidden gems of the surrounding countryside and experience the local way of life. You can trek through verdant rice paddies, explore the stunning rivers, visit vegetable plantations, and learn how to cook traditional Vietnamese dishes with fresh local ingredients. The experience is immersive and unforgettable, providing you with lasting memories of the beauty and charm of rural Vietnam. Our mission at Rustic Charm Homestay is to provide a sustainable and responsible tourism experience that benefits both our guests and the local community. We work closely with the locals to preserve the cultural heritage and environment, while also creating opportunities for them to participate in the tourism industry. If you're an adventure seeker or an eco-tour traveler looking for an authentic and unique experience in Vietnam, Rustic Charm Homestay is the perfect destination for you. We invite you to join us on this unforgettable journey that will leave you with a deep appreciation for the beauty and charm of rural Vietnam. Ahoy there! Let me regale you with the exclusions of Rustic Charm Homestay, the ultimate destination for an immersive and authentic experience of Vietnam's rural beauty. The hustle and bustle of the city, as Rustic Charm Homestay is situated in the heart of a charming rural village, far from the noise and chaos of urban life. The tourist traps and crowds that come with popular tourist destinations, as our homestay offers an exclusive and intimate experience with only a limited number of guests. The monotony of generic and cookie-cutter travel experiences, as Rustic Charm Homestay offers a unique and immersive journey.